Influent by Amada. Influent by Amada is a cutting-edge industrial IoT solution. It collects data from your entire shop, giving you visibility into what's happening on your floor and revealing the problems that affect your bottom line. Data is only as useful as it is accurate. How accurate is your data? ERP systems are often complicated, and many clients say they're prone to operator error. Machine monitoring systems collect states that aren't connected to the jobs they're running. Influent brings together these separate streams of data, forming a complete picture. Every shop is different, and we tailor the solutions to your operation, providing critical insights that give you the competitive edge. Influent is designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing ERP software and eliminate double entry. As work orders are scheduled and passed from your ERP, they will appear in Influent across all of its applications. Influent's Measure app ensures that each work center is always using the most current schedule. No more guessing about what is causing bottlenecks. Now you know how much time is spent loading material, performing setup, or handling parts. Having a Measure app at each work center eliminates the need for operators to walk to distant ERP terminals, making labor transactions efficient and accurate. The real-time status and location of any job are at the floor manager's fingertips by using the Analyze iPad app. Front office personnel have real-time access to machine activity details, work order progress, and powerful reports by using Manage. Press brake operators can seamlessly track their work while keeping management informed of all activity. Measure also helps to enforce adherence to the schedule, requiring an operator to give a reason for deviating from the planned schedule. Influent is designed to connect to any kind of equipment or machinery, whether it's made by Amada or not. Influent includes Amada's CAM software engine as well as an API for do-it-yourself ERP integration. Influent automatically nests orders received from your ERP system and supports unattended blanking operation. For those shops that prefer their existing CAM software, Influent is designed to integrate with any CAM solution. Influent provides vital reports, enabling you to intervene to keep your production on time, satisfying both your bottom line and your customers. On-time delivery provides a visible trend of missed delivery deadlines, along with quick insights of how often you're late and by how much. Actual versus estimate allows you to evaluate the accuracy of your quotation process. This can be viewed by operation type, work center, or operator, helping you identify where you're missing the mark. Low utilization allows you to identify underperforming work centers that do not meet the green light time goal you've set, allowing you to maximize capacity. Schedule deviation identifies patterns for work centers and employees that have deviated from your planned schedule. Influent by Amada empowers businesses to achieve greater efficiency, profitability, and revenue opportunities, built from the ground up, leveraging cutting-edge technology, designed for scalability and extensibility. Influent is ready to grow with your business. The enterprise-class Influent solution empowers you to lead your shop's digital transformation. Influent by Amada delivers accurate and verifiable data collection coupled with valuable real-time analytics for continuous improvement. Don't risk the future of your business on incomplete and unverified data. Choose Influent by Amada.